Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Okay guys, this is just a lovely short and sweet one for you today, and it's definitely sweet because it's a beautiful chocolate LA weave. So if you're wondering how Kelly gets this absolutely seamless hair for you to wear it up when you do have an LA weave, this is basically how and why. So she's just gripping the hair into place with the micro rings, and she just leaves a section underneath it that's gonna mask the first bit of extension. So when you wear your hair up, you're not going to be able to see it because it has that barrier and veil in the way, so you won't see the extension or anything. So obviously if you had pre-bonded, the glue might stick out underneath, whereas this just lays super flat against the hair, and as you can see in previous videos and in this video, it just sits so lovely. I'm obsessed. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. It's absolutely stunning, so glossy, so smooth and shiny, and I'm just obsessed with these LA weave guys. They're so amazing and I'm just obsessed.
It's delicious.
So guys, don't forget, if you do want to know anything or see anything, do leave a comment down below and we will try and show you whatever you want to know. And yeah, thanks for watching this video and hope to see you in the next one.